This is gonna be funny. I'm gonna scare the shit out of my my friend's brother. Sorry, I got confused. I'm gonna get the chainsaw out of that shed over there. And they're gonna come up to right here, a little bit further than I am, come flying around the corner with the chainsaw started. It has the chain isn't on it, but his brother gets very scared, very easy. So we're gonna scare the shit out of him. And I'm gonna put this on YouTube, and you guys are gonna see it. So we're gonna have fun. Now it's gonna take. They're like 2 blocks away, and they're coming down the hill right now. So it's probably gonna take another minute until they get here. So I'm gonna talk to you guys for at least another 30 seconds. Now, hold on a second. I'm gonna call my friend back. Okay. Now I'm about to talk to him, so you guys, you're gonna have to listen to this. I gotta find out where they are. Okay, did you guys come down the hill? Huh? You're here? Okay. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, perfect.